Okay, guys, we're in the kitchen today. I got a little bit of sore throat, so bear with me. We're going to get some meal time going on here. Let's see what this is here. Oh, I know what this is. This is my leak down tester, I think. I think this is my leak down tester. Let me look here. Oh yeah. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah, I got this off of Amazon, you know, like I always do. Yes, guys, please excuse my voice. I'm feeling a little under the weather today. But yeah. That's very cool. I need this for various reasons, but you don't pay no attention yet to that. Okay. Let's see here. Looks like something else came here. Oh, okay. That's not actually this is not actually mine. Well, I did order it, but it's for a gift. So, you know. Let me put that to the side. Yeah, this is pretty cool, guys. Let's see who it's made by. I done forgot. Amazon purchase here. Yeah, looks like No Name Johnny. So sweet. But, you know, I mean, really, in my opinion, the leak down tester is kind of self-explanatory, you know. You put your compressed air in here. Here's your dial. There's like a graph right here where you can tell what is the tolerances. Well, you have to really kind of fool with those tolerances, but yeah, this is pretty cool. I really like this for the channel here, because this is gonna be able to take out some of the guesswork, you know. So yeah, just quick and easy, quick and dirty and easy, you know how we do it here on Lewis Mowers and Boats. I don't know if I can see the manufacturer. I have to put it in this description for you guys. Says it's made in China. You know, don't you know? But we all knew that. But I don't mind getting stuff from like this from China. Just things that are very, you know, inexpensive items like that. So remember, you don't have to have top of the line to be able to get by, you know. But if you want to go out and get Snap-on and Mako and all that, I have all those. I have a Snap-on box, Mako box, Mako tools, Snap-on tools. But things like this, if you can save $1 or $2, I recommend that. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless.